I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare creatine versus Shilajit Gold. Creatine is widely recognized for its role in boosting physical performance, especially in high-intensity activities. Shilajit Gold, on the other hand, is a traditional Ayurvedic resin, valued for its potential to support overall vitality and energy levels. We'll explore what each supplement offers, how they work in the body, and who might benefit most from incorporating them into their routine. Creatine is a powerhouse for those looking to enhance their physical capabilities. It works by increasing the availability of ATP, the body's primary energy currency, within muscle cells. This leads to noticeable improvements in strength, power, and endurance during short bursts of intense activity. Many athletes and fitness enthusiasts use it to push their limits and achieve better results in their training sessions. Shilajit Gold, a natural substance found in mountainous regions, has been revered for centuries in traditional medicine. It's often sought after for its adaptogenic properties, helping the body cope with stress and promoting a sense of well-being. Rich in fulvic acid and over 84 minerals, it's believed to support cellular function and contribute to sustained energy without the jitters. When deciding between creatine and Shilajit Gold, consider your personal goals. If your focus is on maximizing strength, power, and muscle growth, creatine is likely the more direct choice. However, if you're seeking overall vitality, sustained energy, and general wellness support, Shilajit Gold might be a better fit. Remember, both can be beneficial, but they serve different primary purposes. Check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.